Hey everyone, it's Lakeesh and I am back with another video, and as you can see, this video is all about makeup therapy. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay and watch the video. If you have any questions or if you have any ideas, you could drop them in the comment section below. And before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you see when we upload a video, and share this with a friend. First, you want to start off with a moisturized face. I'm using my Vanity Cream moisturizer. I so love this moisturizer. Now that my face is fully prepped, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Putty Primer. And I want to put this in my T-zone. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline concealer and I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. And I only use this underneath. When it comes to the top of my eyebrows, I go in with my foundation that I'll be using. So we're just going to carve out our eyebrows. And I start from the middle. Light strokes. And I just drag the product down and out. I'm just going to take my concealer brush and I'm just going to blend this out. So now I'm just going to blend this concealer onto my eyelids because I want to do a smoky look. I think, I don't know, we're just going to do a nude look. One color, we're going to do a one color look, but we're going to do nude. So now I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer, and this is my L'Oreal True Match Super Blend Foundation, and I really love this. Like a little, you only need a little. I'm going to take my foundation brush and I'm going to press that into the skin. And look at that. Like, this gives you the perfect blend. Like, I so love this. I said that I wanted to do a smoky eye look, but we're going to leave that for the next video. We're going to do a pink under eye look. And I'm going to go in using my e.l.f. Camel Blush in the shade Pinky Promise. Sorry, writing is so small I could barely see it. And I'm just going to apply some under the eyes. Just like I said, we're going for a pink look. Now we're going to go in with our Maybelline concealer. And this is the shade 045 Tan Tan. And I love this concealer. So now that I am back into my makeup journey, I want to get on the PR list. I'm looking to make some collabs. I'm looking forward to some PRs and all those good stuffs that come with content creating. So my goal for today is to reach out to brands and see if I could get on some lists. So we're gonna see how that goes. I've never really tried to reach out to brands and get on their PR list, but that's something that I'm going to do today because I'm taking my content creating journey and my influencing journey serious. And I think that's up my alley. I think I can do it. Not I think, but I know I can do it. So I'm going to try and do that today. And then I have ordered a pack from my online boutique. I think I'm going to do a short or make a TikTok video with that one. But I'm showing up like I would show up for my 9 to 5. Oh, I kind of liking this pink on the eye. This is nice. My favorite words. I like that. So I'm going to go in with this concealer and I'm just going to add some to the forehead. For some reason, my makeup cracks in the corner of my nose. I don't know why, but it does. This pink on the eye with the hair. So now I'm going to go in with my Glam contour, liquid contour in the shade Earthy Sepia. I hope I pronounced that right. And I'm just going to contour. I'm going to add some right here, some right here. I abandoned my skincare routine for about 2 weeks and I had a breakout call me immediately. I had a bad breakout. But I must say it lasted long, 2 weeks. No breakouts until I wake up and then I had a full mass breakout. So now I am going to blend the contour in. I am not going to drag it all the way in. I'm just going to like lift my face with it, if that makes sense. And then we're going to make sure we catch the jawline. Blend all that out into the neck. And always remember this, when you do your skincare, your makeup, always remember your neck. We're just going to blend that up. But yeah, I'm going to add a little more pink because I feel like I need a little more, like 1 dot. And the thing about this is I don't have a clear translucent powder. So I'm going to go in with my lightest powder. And that would be my collab powder. I'm going to go in with my collab powder because I don't have a clear translucent powder. And I don't want to take away from the pink. I don't want it to be too overpowering because I want to keep the pink look. I like it. This is cute. This is cute. So we're going to go in with our collab setting powder and we're just going to set under the eyes. And I think this is doing the job. This is getting the job done, y'all. Hello. On. So I'm going to set everywhere that I applied concealer, especially in the corners, because they gave me the most problems in the corner of my nose. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible bronzer in the shade Deep Dark Fonts 550. I'm going to take a little brush, dust off the excess, and I'm just going to carve down my nose first. Then I'm going to go in with my contour brush, and I'm just going to lightly tap that in. I'm going to apply this to the eyelids as well. I'm going to go in with my Collab press powder in the shade Cocoa Truffle, and I'm just going to apply this all over the face. How I apply the foundation is where I would apply this powder, and I'm going to use this to blend in my contour to give it like a seamless look. And this helps get rid of all the harsh lines. I wonder if I want red lips. I don't know. What y'all think? Before I forget, I didn't do the top of my eyebrows. So let's do that. And what are we going to do with the lips? Let's start off by taking this. Should I? I'm going to leave that on. So what are we going to do with the lips, girlies? We're going to do red, or are we just going to keep it? We should try a bold lip. We're going to go in with this nice red lipstick from Ashanti, and we're going to try this today. Let's see how our red look with this. So I'm going to go in with my wine lip liner pencil from Kuro in the shade Red Wine, and I need a sharpener, but so I just overline my top lips a bit because I wanted to have that full look. Now we're going to go in with this red. I don't know how I feel about this, y'all, but I'm going to go in with my black and give it a little. Right now, I am not really feeling it. Let me just blend this out a bit. Let's see what's going on there. Let's blend this out. Let me know what you think about the lips. Let's go in with the liquid. I guess this is more of a matte finish. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the lips. Let me know how you feel about the lips in the comment section. Because right now, your girl honestly don't know how to feel about the lips. Let's try something. Let me see how it would look if I would put a little bit on the eyebrows. I don't have a red pencil, so let's try this. I kind of like it now. It looked like it's coming together. I like it. And clean it back up, but kind of liking this look. Your eyebrows, always remember your eyebrows really make or break a makeup look, always.